Hi and welcome to OneSearch tutorial. We are going to talk about how to request materials from the Cal State libraries. We have sharing with Cal States, and this is talking about physical materials. So if you needed to request a physical book from a Cal State, this is how you would go about doing it. So first we're going to type in our search. Okay, so we put in our search topic. I have put in young adult literature, and you will see to the right hand side that there is a drop down menu that says San Jose State Collections. So what we're going to want to do is drop that menu down, and it is going to show us a couple of options. We want to select Cal State University Collections because it will show us which of these sources can be found at a Cal State. So when our sources pop back up again, we're going to look at them, and it's going to show us within the source itself where it can be found. So once it's here, you can see that this one has online access and it's available at the San Jose State physically. So let's scroll down and see if we can find one that is available at another at a Cal State. So we're going to need to load more results because so far they're all at San Jose. But if one pops up that we are unable to find at San Jose State, that's where we want. It'll show us how to request it. So we are looking for it to say it'll check availability basically is kind of what it's going to tell us to do. Check holdings. Here we go. So this particular source can't be found at San Jose State, but let's say you needed this. So you're going to click on check holdings, and it's going to pop up a new window. And in this window, it's going to show us where this particular source is available. So this source right here, we have availability. Once it's completed loading, it's going to show us the details. So it is available at, you're going to want to show libraries, and it's available at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. So if you wanted to request it from San Luis Obispo, you would come up here where it says CSU Resource Sharing Request. So you would select that, and it's going to pop up another window that you can place your request. Now again, this is a physical object, so you're going to type in what you're requesting and where it's going to be picked up. The only option is the San Jose Library. So if you don't live in this area, if you're an online student such as myself, you aren't going to be able to access this particular physical piece. But if it is available in an area near you, you could go there directly. But once you were done filling out this information, you would click request, and that would complete your request. If you have any additional questions with regards to obtaining materials from the Cal States, please contact me at the library. Thank you.